kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Kaseng jong kinong yalam nyam baper kibadan hapo kasatri jong kaslong all faith forum ni ka Saff lingba president jong ka bishop Pioli Lingdo ulong bagi dekat jong kaseng lembat kinong thok kubor ka Jylla kidei kita kinong rak kubor na ka benda ka jingsuk bat ka jingyalong kawai bat ada kum kinong yalam ki shim ya ka jingkit kle ka nong ba aslong kan yai long ka jaka ka badap tang da ka suk ka san habaya keren berkilat pathai kubor mentaka sngi ka khat ar trik ulu ber arjar ar pusau na kaliang bishop uloong lada ka jingsuk ka sensyar baro ki kam kilong ki bala ban le bat kindon ru ki jingkeo ha ki babun kiliang u bishop uloong ru bakari India menta ka don kambahaya ka jingsuk bat ka jingyalong kawai padahal Kyntu iki Paidbah ka Jylla bakin yale ban wanra ya ka jingsuk bat ka jingya teli da ka baburom yo nongbu nong tau bat iki para breu wat la da ki don ha kanu kanu kan nyamru ula ongru ha ka bedei bat ki jingjia ki bala jia ha ka nongba dang ki khindiat sngi ki bala dep kini ki long tangkum ki lat ban pentut ya ka jingem bat ka Shongsuk Shongshngain jong ki Paidbah u bishop ula pen ken maru halor ka jingdon kam ban long ki ba husiar la ka long ha ka yat ka yang ka ktin ka thli bat ki wei bat ban perkhan tang ban Pynneh pensa ya ka Shongsuk Shongshngain ha ka Jylla
ka wei ke bang apa ban au ga fi baro di media chung media kalau gede wa fi ki batre ki badon gene ka kam kani ka responsibility kum ki media persons but many kum ki members jong ka Saff Shalom all faith forum tungin ken mau bangi baro ni day ki ambassadors of peace and harmony jaga jingsuk bat ke jingalong kowe the media and us and Saff should be ambassadors of peace and harmony ladap hi bat mangi you and us mishim kya ikane we take this seriously Shillong kalajulong bat ka long hadu menta bat kan yai long ka shnong ka basuk wasai Shillong has been and is today a land of peace. So our call as Saff today is for us members of Saff and together with all of you media people you have a great responsibility. Piripidan ka kamaram kumuno bungin yatay build up ya ka jingsuk ya ka jingalong ya ka jingasoto ya ka jingalong kawai haganika Jylla ka jome. It is only with peace and harmony that we can live together, we can grow together, we can prosper together. Pang idon ka jingsuk ka jingalong kawai ka jingasoto jengwat nila banya emlang ina salang nila banya sanlang but nila banya roy nila banya roy pala prosper I don't not only in terms of wealth and riches not only wealth and riches and prosper in our minds in our attitudes towards one another agaji jumot berkat ke jemi iwe part we can prosper in our relationships, we can prosper in our well-being, we can prosper in our love and tolerance and accepting one another. And so many, the whole life, it affects our whole life, our whole system. Kani kitong kajing khot kijongi, ka pil kijongi, shaki Paidbah, kino Shongshngain baro. Rengkat bat kajing sup, bat kajing terli, kajing along kawai kijongi, ka Jylla kijongi, kalapan ya cikal, tusan hagibat tabar. And this peace and harmony begins. Let us begin peace and harmony from Shillong, then in the state of Meghalaya, then in the whole northeast region, and why not in the whole country? This is what India needs today, peace and harmony in our country. Kumgi Nongyalam Niam ki prepare as faith leaders in Shillong. This is what I would like to appeal to all of you and to all citizens. Let us maintain, let us strive for peace and harmony. By doing so, we honor and respect our Creator, because it is He who has made all of us, irrespective of our faith system, of our culture, of our community, irrespective of anything. The diversities, the differences that we have are all His gifts to humankind. Tiki parano sistang borok kene galong kecing khot kejong ina kadiang Saff bakum ki nongalam ki jadniam ki paper tagabangi ye imlang tagabangi ye don kecing sungtho jumut ni tei ye kecing sup ye kecing terli ni ai ke buram kecing yarok yublai namar ni baro ni dei ki jingthau kejong kungi jingthau kejong plai ukwa yengi bangen ye buram ibe bangen ya diam ibe ni imlang kung kijaj benrio apa deng kijing ye prayer ki babu kene galong jingi na kata sashilo te kijing dia ki ba mentala wat agini men ne gasni men ne gasni so te kijing dia ki ba sharif hoy ya keleng kini borok kelong hi kijing persyang ban thot ya ke imlang sa alang ki jami man pen shit ki brio man pen song tho por lai ki brio ni appeal ni ki non section ba ngin long ki husian ba don kampan ngit big thanet ni don kampan pet ngo long ki ba pet ngor bat ban long ki ba husian holiday ya ke yang jongi ga tien ga li jongi but kumno ni de ban le stam ka bengila ban Pynneh ya ke jing sup ya ke jing long ka wei ha ke ni ka Jylla ke jongi. So this is our appeal to all residents of the state. Let us do our best to maintain peace and harmony in spite of the news that we hear even till yesterday, these days. What is happening now in Ribhoi, it has happened in Shillong. In spite of all this, we take it as our responsibility, responsible citizens of the state, to maintain peace and harmony in our state. And we continue to work with the government. We continue to appeal to the government to do its part, do the investigation. Our members have met the Chief Secretary, who's also taking up these concerns, not only within the state but also with the state of Assam. And again, friends, we have with us the Secretary of Saint Raj Shillong, Dr. Omarlin Kindia, and he would like to also express and share with you.
Media one jengkot jong kasaf and jong kecil penduduk jungi kumpul working committee naliang jong kasaf ni kumba yang bishop ni kalpat ya ki nong Shongshngain jong ka Jylla hamtam ni nong Shongshngain jong ka Shillong bandong ki banjai nomor ba i ba kini ne ki kandiat si gini kitio wala dem but kandiat si lo bidang don ki jingjia ki ba ila bandong jingjia ki ba sosi ki ban ra ya ke jingma ya inong Shongshngain jong ka Jylla ba ya ka Shillong city ba boy Hoi ni sutu ba gini jinjia katarai dong gini jinjia gede ba kidon kidau dong bijing kajia nagal yang jong Saff im da ne ban kran lor ka ne na ma ka ne dei purely ka dei kam vai dei bat ka sarkar bat ki stakeholder ki ba ya don pertama ka ne kam ngaleng ka Saff ni kerpat ya ka sarkar bat baro ki stakeholder ki ba ya dei kam ma ni benta bakin ya kendo ban ya keren ban ya resolve ya keno ka issue ka ba nang ba ka Jylla ba Shillong city jongi kani obyang ya kata ka kadang genam bolong ka ri jong ka suk ka sai ka ba jadi beri prepare ki buram lang we ki we kumba ta Saff ki yang long no rem ba ni kumba Saff ni kwa ya ka Shongsuk tu ke pat ya sesi ni ke pat ya paro ke badan bentah ha ni kam ki ba dei ban resolve ya no issue ba kin long sim serious ya ka kam om ban sidrak ya kini issue khanang ba nyin light na kini ki jingjia ki masusi.
We met last time as a Saff committee, and again we are meeting this evening. This is the working committee of Saff, the Shillong All Faith Forum. This is in continuation of what we have said last time, the last meeting, that Saff stands for peace and harmony in Shillong, in the state of Meghalaya. This is our concern at all times and in all situations. So it is for this purpose that since we met last time, we are here today. Perhaps you were here last time also. And this time we would like to share with you what has taken place, what we have done since the last meeting till today. Few things that we have done, few steps we have taken, and this is what we would like to share with you. And we have our Vice President, Mr. Nava Bhattacharya, who will brief all of you what we have done since then.
Thank you, Bishop, and very good evening to all of you. Subsequent to our last meeting where many of you attended here, we decided to meet our Chief Secretary pertaining to the issues which our people were facing in the border areas with Assam, including in Bongaigaon, the incident. So we apprised the Chief Secretary that we are very much concerned, and we also want that peace should prevail, not only within our state, but also in the border areas, and particularly the amity and brotherhood and harmony among the people of the two states, and that our people are not harassed or instigated. So the Chief Secretary informed that he is almost on a regular contact with the Chief Secretary of Assam, virtually on a day-to-day basis to monitor the situation in those areas, and particularly our people of not being intimidated or in any manner harassed in the state of Assam. So, and he assured us that in case of anything arising, he will get in touch with us, but his lines of communication with the government of Assam is open, and I'm sure that even as I speak now, he is in touch with his counterpart in Assam.